Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule Instagram posts on Canva in 2024. Of course, Canva new scheduling features makes it very easy than ever to plan and also automate your social media posts whenever you want. You can schedule it to post it regularly or whenever you want for a specific post as an example. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this wherever you want. And once you open that browser, basically, just go to the URL section. Of course, you'll like to open like your Instagram as example. And then, of course, make sure to go and open like canva.com, which is the most important part in this video. And once, of course, you open your canva.com, make sure to log in into your account. If you have an account, you can simply log in with Google or, as example, with a lot of other options here, or simply sign up if you don't have an account to create an account. As you can see, you have all those accounts that you can create an account with it, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your accounts. For me, I'll just go here and log in with Google, and as you can see, by continuing to Google, share your name, email address, language preferences. So all the information that you'll have to enter manually, Canva or Google will share as example with them with Canva. The same will be for any other account that you're gonna choose. So as you can see in here, we have the option, of course, to start your free trial on Canva Teams, Canva Pro. As you can see, Canva Teams, what you'll get everything you get with Canva Pro for everyone, and create on-brand content across your team every time, set up some design approvals, rules, and permissions for a seamless workflow. And for Canva Pro, of course, for individuals, access to our entire like library of content, templates, fonts, and more. Boost your creativity with the help and power of AI. Work smarter with background remover and resize and magic switch. Of course, you can see also as an example other things if you're trying, example, to go with the plan. So example here, we'll just go with the Pro and see like all the features that come with it. I don't know if, so example, I'll just go here and see the features. So example, with the free, you'll get all of those in here. So easy to drag drop, professional design templates, design types, 3 million stock photos, AI generated writing designs, design like printing and delivery, and also 5 gigabytes of storage. But in here, you'll get unlimited premium templates, 1 million as example plus photos, videos, graphic, audios, 1,000 brand kits to manage your brand, quickly resize and translates design. Remove backgrounds in a click, boost creativity with 20 plus AI tools, plan and schedule social content, 1 terabyte of cloud storage, and online customer support as well. So if you want this, of course, you can get this. As you can see, it's like $5 or $55 per year for one person. Of course, if you want to pay monthly, it's going to be this amount. So it's actually up to you to choose whatever suits you. So for me here, I'll just go back to the main option. Of course, for us to schedule an Instagram post, we'll need, of course, to create one. I've also showed you before, or I've showed you before, example, how to create some bulk Instagram posts. Of course, you'll need, first of all, if you don't want to watch the video, of course, you'll have to go and create a design. You can simply just look for something in Instagram as an example, for Instagram specifically. For example, Instagram posts. And you can look for a template that you like as example or something like that. I don't know what you may like. Maybe this one as example. I don't know, it's simple. I would prefer, of course, simple stuff as example. You can, if it's free, of course, you can customize it right now. So make sure to just look for the free ones, of course, not look for the pro ones. Of course, you can simply just set it from here. It's, yeah, the price should be free and they'll give you just the free ones. So once you are here, make sure to have a template basically for your posts that you're gonna create, like a bulk post that you're gonna create. And of course, you'll have to make small changes between a post from another. So example, maybe you're posting something educational. So today, as example, you're gonna teach them the lesson one about language, like programming language C. So in programming language, as example, if you want to give a number to a variable, we'll write it like that as example. So example, instead of this coming soon, etc., I'll just go and let's like, okay, I'll let the star example, maybe I'll have like a star at each side in here. So I want 4 of those as example. So maybe that's going to be my template. Of course, I'll just keep it simple for you. It's up to you to do whatever you want. Or as example, I'll even add some more. So just go here and paste some example. Yeah, I'll just put them like randomly here at the bottom left as example. yeah, something like that. Of course, like one should be displaying from here, the other one from here. Example, maybe as example, this is like my Instagram template. Of course, I can put it on other sides if I want to. Simply, you can of course just select all and simply just space it, and of course you can put it like wherever you want, maybe here, maybe as example here. You can also of course after that fix it if you didn't like a thing. Of course I'm not going to do so, I'm just gonna put something random here. As example, this is our template. Of course I'm not good at design, and of course here you can simply just do whatever you wanna do on your Instagram post. Of course for me I'll just keep it empty. You can simply just go and create your bulk Instagram posts as example, and then of course just make your small changes so you can schedule it. Now as an example, we would like to share it, so we would like to schedule like our Instagram posts. So if we go here to share at the top right corner, we'll find this Instagram and we'll find this schedule. So if we go here and click on Instagram, as you can see, how would you like to post on Instagram? Immediate posts from the mobile app or schedule posts from desktop. If you go and choose this as example, click on continue. As you can see, you will need to connect your Instagram business. So convert to Instagram business account, for example, if you didn't need yet, and then you'll have to link it. So basically, if you convert it, and of course it should be linked also to a Facebook page. If you did those two steps, all you need to do, just simply come here and click on connect to Instagram business via Facebook. Click on that, then click on continue. And you should be like connected to it right away, as you can see. So here you'll have to select this account. Select, of course, or write the caption for whatever you've done here. So as example for me, I'll just put test in and you can simply publish it. But you'll say where's schedule? As you can see, schedule is here. So you can click on it, but you'll not be able to use it. As you can see, it's only available for the pro like users. So you'll have to go and get a plan basically to use it. You will need to go, of course, for yourself and get a plan. And then you'll be able to use it. So at least like Canva Pro. As you can see, you'll have to get that. Once you get it as an example, so example, this is my Instagram account. So I'll just go here to my profile. Depending on wherever you schedule it, for me, I'm just going to do like here, I'm just going to post this right now. So I'll just go here and do testing and see if it's going to be posted in my Instagram. So example, I'll have to wait a bit until it's posted. The same will be for schedule. You'll have just to choose an exact time, then click on post and or schedule, and it will be scheduled at that exact time if you have the pro plan. So example, post published. So I'll just go here to my Instagram, refresh the page and see. As you can see, it's posted with the caption of testing. As simple as that. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.